Subnetting. A subnetwork or subnet is a logical subdivision of an IP network. The process of dividing a network into two or more networks is called subnetting. Subnetting is an important concept as you may receive many questions on this in CCNA certification or CompTIA certification. As well, this is important for networking perspective. Dividing network into subnets also provides security as rules can be applied for users to communicate from one network to another network. Now let's see an example for subnetting. The IP address given is 172.158.5.0/17. This is a class B IP address, so the first two octet would come under the network part and the last two octet would come under the host part. So what this means is that 172.158 won't be changed and the changes would be in the third octet. Let's first create a small table with subnet host and subnet mask. The subnet row is filled as 1, 2, 4, that is each number is double the previous number. The host row is exact opposites of subnet row, that is starting from 256, 128 and so on till 1. Now since this is a class B IP address, we will write subnet mask from /16, 17, 18 and so on till 24. Now our requirement was /17, which is the second column. In the table we can see that /17 has two subnet and each subnet will contain one. Now we will create the subnet table for the required question. This will have three rows: network address, usable host range and broadcast address. Since this is a class B address, first two octet won't be changed. Changes will be on the third octet. So network address will be 172.158.0.0 and the next network address would be addition of 128 host to the third octet, which is 172.158.128.0. Now the broadcast address would be 1 minus the last network address, which is 172.158.1.127.255 and 172.158.255.255. The last column, that is the usable host range, is the total number minus the network address and the broadcast address, which is 172.158.0.1 to 172.158.127.254 and 172.158.128.1 to 172.158.255.255. Next, we will see a typical CCNA certification subnetting question which comes almost in every certification exam. Now let's see an example for subnetting. One day, your supervisor walks to you saying, here is the network ID of 192.168.4.0/24. Please create three separate networks or subnets for Office Network. The three separate subnets or networks are: one is for the HR department, one for the security team, and one is for the marketing team. Your task is to list each subnet, network ID, subnet mask, host ID range, the usable host IDs, and broadcast ID. The IP given to us is 192.168.4.0, which is a class C IP, which means that the first three octet will be in the network part and the fourth octet will be in the host part. For the ease of subnetting, first let's create a small table, which is a subnetting table. It contains three rows: subnet, host, and subnet mask. The subnet is populated as 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, and 256. Each number is the double of the previous number. The second row, host, is populated in the reverse of the subnet, that is 256, 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, and 1. What this means is in a subnet of 2, there will be 128 hosts, in a subnet of 4, there will be 64 hosts, and so on. Since the given IP is a class C IP, the subnet mask will start from /24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and 32. We were asked to create 3 subnets, but if you look at the subnet row, there is no 3 subnet. 2 subnet would be less and which we cannot take. So we'll go for the fourth subnet of 4, which will accommodate 64 hosts. The next table gives us the whole subnetting of 192.168.4.0. It consists of network ID, subnet mask, host ID range, usable host, and broadcast IP. The network ID comes from the subnet of 4, and since this is a class C IP, the first 3 octave won't be changed, and each subnet would contain 64 hosts. So the first network ID would be from 192.168.4.0. The second will be from 192.168.4.64, which means that on the fourth octet, 64 hosts will be added. The third subnet would be 192.168.4.128, and the final subnet would be 192.168.4.192. The subnet mask for this new subnetted IP would be /26. As you can see in the above table, for 4 subnets, the host is 64 and subnet mask would be /26. The host ID range for the first network ID will be from 192.168.4.0 plus 64 hosts, which will be 192.168.4.63. The host ID starts from .1 to .63 because the final second host ID range would be 192.168.4.64 to 192.168.4.127. The third one from .128 to 191. The fourth one from 192 to 250. Now for the broadcast IP, the last host ID range is the broadcast IP. So it will be 192.168.4.63, .127.191 and .254. The usable host for this IP range would be excluding the network ID and the host IP. So it will be 62 hosts for each subnet. So for an IP address of 192.168.4.0, we have created 4 subnets with 62 hosts in each subnet. So this is how a subnetting of class C is done.